Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I can show you how to enable or how to disable auto-target when attacking on Wukong game. So, auto-target is similar to the auto-lock-on, so it's enabling this feature can make combat more fluid, automatically targeting the nearest enemy when you attack, which is particularly useful in fast-paced, for example, battles, where manual targeting can slow you down. And in this station, auto targeting. So choose gameplay in settings, and in settings you should scroll down. Here find auto target when attacking, and enable it or disable if you want to make your gameplay harder. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.